welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do Arduino LED and buzzer. So let's get started. So today, in this video, we are going to be using the Arduino Uno Super Starter Kit. So in this tutorial, we're going to be needing a breadboard, a buzzer, a few LEDs, and tons of jumper wires. So what we're going to do first is we're going to connect this LED like so. This long side right here is connected to the far right, and the short side is connected to the left. So, and you leave a gap in the middle like so, and you connect. You can choose any port, and you can connect this to this left side here, and you can connect this wire from the right side of this to the negative rail. And we need to ground the negative rail so it comes. So you go to your GND and ground it to the negative. So now this is grounded. So now we're gonna have to do the same thing on everything we do here. So let's do it next. So next is this. So you just basically do it here. Do the same thing. You get another one of these jumper wires. And then you can get another jumper wire from here and place it I'm gonna be getting this green one here and place it on the left side, and then get another jumper wire, place it over here, get another jumper wire, place it right over here. Place this on the far left and connect it to the negative rail. I'm going to first connect everything to the negative rail. So the far right over here is to the negative rail. So the short side, negative rail. So after you connected all of those to the negative rail, move on to the tall side of the LED and place it to your pins to get it start the code. Okay. So we put everything on the negative rail. Now let's attach the pins. So to attach these pins, like right there. So gotta attach these pins over here. Then so we attach these pins to the tall side of your LED, like this. Looks like we attached all of the pins for this one. And for this one, now we're gonna move on to the buzzer. So we are gonna be using a buzzer here, and you attach it to the far right on this one, and the far left. The far right is attached to any pin you choose. This far left is attached to the ground on your Arduino Uno. So we're done with the wiring. Let's get coding. So now let's move on to the coding. So this is the coding here. So first you need to address the variables. So you have to write int and address what LED you're using and the pin number. The pin number for the first one I'm using right now is 13. And then you just copy and paste whatever you do here and do it to all your pins you're using. And after that, we have to do pin mode. And this is just addressing it. And you need to do it in the void setup. And you have to put LED 1. You're addressing the LED over there. And you have to put output. Output means it's on. So after you put that, you have to put up to all your pins, okay? And after that, we have to go for the void loop. For this void loop, we start from digital right, and we go LED 1 high. High means the LED actually turns on and is lighting up right now. And after that, you delay this a little. So 100, I'm delaying it for 100 milliseconds. And then you do the same thing, digital right, LED 2 high, which means the LED is turning on, like the light. And you do that for all your pins. And after that, you have to do digital right, LED, your LED you're using. And then you have to do low, which means the LED is turning off. So the light turns off, and then you do a delay again. So you have to do the same thing for all your pins. And after you're finished with all your pins, you delay it for 100 milliseconds, and that's it. And let's move on to the, so this is also for the code for the buzzer. So the buzzer right now is LED, I'm using for the buzzer is LED 12. So that's the buzzer. So this is the same thing. All you have to do is do this for the buzzer. Okay, so now let's test the code. So let me plug in plug it into my Arduino, and it's gonna have, yep, it's working. And the buzzer is making a sound. The buzzer is making a sound, and the LEDs are turning off. So that's how it is. I used a variety of colors. You can use your selection. So everything is done. I'm gonna attach a screenshot of the wiring in the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.